Ergon Energy is a large power distribution company serving more than 700,000 customers spanning an area more than 1 million square kilometers. We are unique in the sense that we have one of the smallest customer densities, less than 5 customers per kilometer. We have in our network a peak demand occurring a couple of times a year, and it's not cost effective to build network capacity to meet that peak demand. So what we need is the ability to bring down load when required. The new solution is all about providing fine granular load control. So that gives us the ability to remotely switch off hot water. And we do that, even though we can do it individually, we actually, as part of the trial, we do it as a group. And what the trial also allows us to do is being able to reprogram these switches remotely.
In addition to the price disruption that LoRaWAN has brought to the table, some of the key underlying features that have really enabled that growth is the low power consumption of the endpoint devices, the flexibility from a network deployment perspective, the broad range of use cases from an end-to-end applicability perspective, and the end-to-end security that's been wrapped up into the LoRa Alliance standards and systems.
When you talk about IoT, it's about connecting millions of endpoints. To do that, it needs to be affordable, and LoRa does that. Another benefit is open standards, and we want to use open standards because we want more innovation to happen. And on top of that, multicast. If you look at the current technologies, cellular or any other thing, they don't actually support multicast. Now, if you want to do things like group control, multicast is key, and LoRa actually provide that capability. As part of the trial, what we wanted to find out is how far LoRa technology can actually radiate. We expected about 5 kilometers, and during the trial we actually we showed that it can go even beyond 5 kilometers. In a line of sight situation, LoRa can actually connect devices that are in excess of 7 kilometers. Another learning we wanted out of the trial is to find out how difficult it is to actually build a network. We found out it's not that difficult. We used our line operational crew to install the LoRa base stations, and they were able to install a LoRa base station in a power pole in less than 3 hours. Another learning we got out of the trial is LoRa has been really reliable. Every time we wanted to actually execute a demand response event, it has been successful. So that's a great outcome. NNNCo is actually have the capability across all aspects of the solution, whether it's product development, radio network planning, or network operation. They actually have expertise across all domains. Not only that, NNNCo can actually influence major players like Activity to deliver outcomes for the Ergon trial, and that's a huge plus. And more importantly, NNNCo understand the business. So it was so easy to work with during the trial.